Do you know what is big data? Do you know how big data works? Today, we are going to talk about what is big data and the latest trends, tools, and techniques for processing, storing, and analyzing massive data sets to unlock valuable insights. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Big data technology refers to the software and hardware tools and techniques used to process and analyze large and complex data sets. With exponential growth of data in recent years, traditional data processing and analysis methods have become insufficient. Big data technology provides solutions to handle large volumes of data, including data storage, retrieval, processing, and analysis. Some examples of big data technologies include Hadoop, which is an open source software framework used for distributed storage and processing of large data sets. Spark, that is an open source cluster computing system used for large scale data processing and analysis. NoSQL databases, that is a class of databases that do not use the traditional SQL language and are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured and semi-structured data. Data warehouses, a system used to store and manage large volumes of structured data. Machine learning algorithms, a class of algorithms used to identify patterns and make predictions based on large data sets. Big data technology is used in various industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and transportation, to gain insights and improve decision making. Here are some of the components of big data technology. Data storage. A vital component of big data technologies is data storage. The storing of enormous amounts of data from various sources such as social media, mobile devices, and the Internet of Things is necessary for big data. Big data storage solutions often rely on distributed file systems like Hadoop distributed file system and Apache Cassandra because traditional databases cannot handle this level of data. To improve scalability, dependability, and fault tolerance, these systems store data across numerous servers. To maximize storage effectiveness and performance, big data storage systems also use methods like data segmentation, replication, and compression. Organizations can successfully manage and store their massive data sets with the correct data storage infrastructure, enabling effective data processing and analysis. Data processing. Data processing, the second element in big data technology, is a procedure of changing and analyzing raw data to derive valuable insights. Tools and frameworks like Apache, Hadoop, Spark, and Flink are used in big data processing. These technologies enable data processing in parallel across numerous computers, allowing for the speedy and effective handling of big data sets. The ability to process data in real time, enabling almost instantaneous analysis of data streams, is one of the essential characteristics of big data processing. This is crucial in sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance, where timely insights can have a big impact on corporate results. In addition, big data processing makes advantage of distributed computing, which divides the burden among several servers or nodes for quicker processing times and enhanced fault tolerance. This makes it possible for businesses to process massive data sets at scale and make better decisions based on data's insights. Data analysis. Data analysis, which involves drawing conclusions, patterns, and correlations from enormous data sets, is the third part of big data technology. In order to better understand the business and consumers, spot patterns, and make data driven decisions, organizations must conduct data analysis. Many methods, including machine learning algorithms, statistical models, and data visualization tools, can be used to analyze big data. Apache Spark, Apache Storm, and Apache Beam are well liked big data analytical technologies that enable businesses to process and analyze data in real time. Data analysis is a challenging task that calls for qualified experts with knowledge in data science, statistics, and machine learning. But thanks to developments in big data technologies, even non technical individuals can now access and analyze data using simple programs like Tableau, ClickView, and D3.js. Organizations may boost their bottom line and gain a competitive advantage by utilizing the power of big data analysis. Data visualization. The practice of displaying complex data in an intelligent visual format, such as charts, graphs, and maps, is known as data visualization. It makes it possible for individuals to immediately spot patterns, connections, and trends in the data that can be challenging to spot from just the raw numbers. Big data technology is not complete without data visualization tools, which assist in turning vast, complex data sets into insights that may guide corporate choices. Tableau, ClickView, and D3.js are well known data visualization tools that provide a variety of visualizations and interactive capabilities to aid users in exploring data and finding novel insights. Data security. As more data is gathered and processed, data security is becoming increasingly important in big data technologies. Data encryption, access restriction, and data masking are a few examples of big data security techniques. These precautions make sure that private information is shielded from unauthorized access. Big data security must be a key priority because breaches can result in large financial losses, harm to brand's reputation, and legal issues. Organizations may safeguard their data and preserve the confidence of their stakeholders and clients by putting the proper security measures in place. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is the last element of big data technologies. Organizations may store and analyze massive data in the cloud rather than on premises servers. This can offer organizations financial savings, scalability, and flexibility, making it a desirable alternative. To further protect the security of sensitive data, cloud computing services frequently offer extra security features, including data encryption and access restriction. Big data technology is a vital component of many industries today. The ability to store, process, and analyze large data sets quickly and efficiently is essential for organizations that want to gain insights and make better informed decisions. Big data technology includes data storage, data processing, data analysis, data visualization, data security, and cloud computing. By leveraging these technologies, organizations can unlock the value of their data and gain a competitive edge in their industries. That's it for today. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.